Good day, everyone. We are the Group 4, and we would like to introduce our modular furniture called Obra Mesa-Sari, where style meets functionality, elevate your study, and storage needs effortlessly. Obra Mesa-Sari are inspired of the standard study table and the drafting table, emerging the practicality of traditional furniture design with the adaptability demanded by contemporary lifestyles. Aside from that, we cannot forget our traditional furniture designs. It was thoughtfully crafted to evoke a sense of timeless elegance and sophistication. And lastly is the touch of modern furniture designs. We meticulously selected high quality materials and incorporated elements of modern designs to ensure that Obra Mississari not only looks stunning but also stands the test of time. Now let's see each components. First is the frame attached to a left drawer where you can put some of your stuffs and two sliding desks for more space when doing tasks like studying or working. Then a working area where it can be transformed as the drafting pad to draw, and it has a magnetic handle where you can remove it or attach it based on your liking. While on the left side of Obra Mississari, there's a pull-out chair where you can sit, and it also has another storage inside. On the right side of the design, it has a three-layer drawer cabinet with a pulley. You can put it out or make it stay on its position. The last feature of the Obra Mississari is the five mini drawers where you can put your tiny stuff at it. It can also be detached based on your liking. Here's a perspective view where Obra Mississari components are used. We choose earth-toned and wooden accent because we want to make it more cozy and minimalist, but at the same time, elegant and aesthetic.
So here are the materials that we use in our table. So we have flat bar, adjustable railings, wheel with lock, magnets, then basic wood with different color, then adjustable hinges, then grab handle for the drawers. So that's all. So, problem statement: limited space, versatility needs, lack of functional design. So, starting in limited space. So, our target here is the people who has limited amount of space in their home. Because most of the time, table consume a lot of space. But our table is a very compact design that doesn't consume a lot of space when you put it in a room. Then the versatility needs, so our table is, like I said, a very compact design, not like the other table that is very long but doesn't have the basic needs of a consumer. The table that we have is does have like small pockets and drawers, which is very convenient to the consumer. Then lack of functional design. So we improve the experience of the consumer here because most of the time table just consists of like the table itself, the flat surface, then the small drawers. But our table consists of like small pockets, then drawers, and short base flat surface, so it doesn't consume a lot of space when you put it in a room, not like the other tables that you will buy in the market.
We can see on our Obra Mesa-Sari table that it is a modern aesthetic with quality craftsmanship that makes our table more eye-pleasing to people. It also has materials that are weather resistant, increasing its overall quality. For example, you accidentally spill coffee on it, the table's texture and color won't be affected. As you can see, it comes with a convertible drafting pad that is adjustable for your comfort. It also has a magnetic surface that is detachable if you want to. On the left side of the table, there is a chair hidden underneath the compartment that you can use. And we have modular compartments that of course you can use to store any of your personal belongings. These all things were combined and added into one that you don't usually see on a common table. Our product has some features that were made for our Obra Mesa-Sari that we think other tables were lacking. Lastly, for the dimension of Obra Mesa-Sari table, from the left leg to right leg, it has a 1460 mm width and 800 mm height. Since many drawers were detachable, if this is included, its overall height were 950 mm. For the dimension of tabletop, it has a width of 1600 and length of 700, all in millimeters. If viewed from the side, the size of the chair hidden is 500 mm for its width and it's the same on the other side.
And finally, allow me to introduce you to the brilliant minds behind the creation of Obra Mesa-Sari. Each member of our team brings a unique blend of creativity, expertise, and dedication to the design, ensuring that every aspect of this remarkable piece of furniture reflects our shared vision and commitment to excellence. Thank you so much for listening.